What is up, guys? It's your boy Vital Entertainment here, and today we're in a predicament, guys. We're in a kind of predicament. Let's get it, guys.
My silver soul, can you dig any deeper now?
Stop! Just stop it!
So guys, as you can see, it's not the best of predicaments. I mean, okay guys, I'm on sicko mode right now. I'm getting shot at from all angles, guys. Ow. Let's see if we can make it. Okay, we made it. Made it inside, guys. Made it inside. There's a life pack. So bad. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Real quick. Scoot from here real quick. I need a life pack, guys, and I can't find any life pack. Okay, I found them. Okay, someone is getting it on out there, guys. Okay, he's down, guys. He's down. Okay, now to see who's coming for him. Someone's coming. Okay, he's down. Guys, to think of, I was just roaming around, getting shot from all angles, and I just prevailed out of nothing at all, guys. Come on, I need a like for that. This is very intense, guys. Smash that like button. Let me torture this guy real quick. That's torture every day in the book. Got some good guns too. Yeah, I'm gonna loot in the open because I'm a boss. Okay, guys. I'm the king of Mars Electric! Damn, guys, you gotta like and subscribe on this video, guys.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.